You add milk. There's a couple different ways you can make this sauce. And you can use any milk you have. I happen to have an open bottle of 2% milk. You can use whole milk, whatever you want. But I usually use whole milk, but we got to use this up. I always smell my dairy. It's just a habit, because one time I didn't, and it was sour. It wasn't a good day. So there's two different ways to kind of do this. You could heat up your milk, and classically you would add something called an onion piqué, which is half an onion peeled with a bay leaf and then a clove stuck inside that, holding the bay leaf on the onion. And you steep that in the milk, and you flavor the milk with that. That's an onion piqué. And then you add cold, or you chip in cold roux into that. That's one way to make it. I rarely have roux ready to go, so the other way is just the reverse method of that, where you have hot roux, and now I'm going to add cold milk into that. But I don't want to just dump in all the milk at once. I'm going to add a little bit, mix it in, add a little bit more, mix it in, add a little bit more, until it gets viscous enough and there's no lumps that I can then pour more and more in. This is half pound of roux, half pound of flour. How much milk can I add to get it to nappe consistency? Somebody said it?
Half gallon.
Half pound of milk, or half pound of butter, half pound of flour is how much roux?
1 pound.
1 pound of butter, or 1 pound of roux, and how much milk does that do?
1 gallon.
1 gallon. So I can do a gallon to nappe consistency in here. So I'm going to start adding it. And you'll see pretty much right away, you can see it just sucked it up. See how it just sucked it right up? Gone. So yeah, come on over. I don't bite that hard. And I did shower this morning. So it basically, you can see it's getting really, really hard. It's just sucking the milk right up. So you're adding little bits at a time. I'm using the viscosity of the roux and the thickness of this mixture to break up any lumps that are in there. It's thick again. Add some more milk. Break it up. A lot of people think it looks like peanut butter frosting or something at this point. Does it? Yeah? I want to get a glass pot, so wouldn't that be cool to cook inside? You can see everything. Or maybe a hat cam. But here's okay, it's getting thinner. You don't want lumps in there. That's why I'm keeping it thick like this. That would not taste good. Adding a little bit more.